Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is the fault we have with compressor. We have bought the used compressor from junkyard, and when we brought and fixed in the car, it was not working. So I will tell you how to repair this compressor and what was the fault. Let's begin our video. This is 2010 Camry compressor, which is electronic compressor. It is clutchless and coilless compressor. We brought from junkyard, and it was a good condition compressor, but when we fixed in the car, it was unserviceable. So I will tell you, this is the bolt for compressor. We open it and check the oil. The oil is very clean inside the compressor, so mostly we check the oil only and check the rotation of the pulley for automatic compressors. Now we will open again the bolt. 1 minute. Okay, open the compressor. This is the oil filler bolt, as you guys if attached with the automotive systems or air conditioning systems, you guys know it. See, the oil is very clean. If the oil was black, so we will not try to repair this compressor, but the oil we see is very clean, and that's why we will repair the compressor. So you can see the pulley. The pulley is rotated, and when it is rotated, this sensor is making the pressure. So this is a lock pin we removed. Now we will remove the switch. This is the switch. We remove the switch. You can see what is the fault. As I told you, the oil is very clean. See the seal, o-ring seals. This one o-ring seal, this o-ring seal. This o-ring seals is not serviceable, so it is leaking the pressure. When it is leaking the pressure, see this seal, it is rusty, too much rusty. So this is leaking the pressure, so we will change the seals and fix it back, so it will start working. We just try to run it, or we try to on it, so the thinner will enter inside and we can clean it. This is the liquid to clean the sensor or clean the carbons, type of carbons. So we just wash with the thinners and change the seals. We put in the thinner and use, as you see, the two wires connected back of the sensor. We on the sensor now and cleaned it. Now we change with new seals. Now we will fix it and compressor will be serviceable. Most of the fault is the same faults. Thank you for watching. See you next time.